Hello everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. Today, I would like to show you how to solve an interesting math question. So we have a circle with center at O and its radius is square root of 50. So from O to A is a radius. So line AB is perpendicular to line BC. Length of AB is 6. Length of BC is 2. So we want to calculate the length of OB. This is a relatively easy question. I just want to use this example to show you how to decide the variables and how to find the equations and then how to solve the equations to solve the variables. So as we can see here, we want to know the length of OB. So let's draw a line, extension line from C to B, and then draw another line perpendicular to this line. So then we know the angle is 90 degrees. So we have a right triangle here. So we assume this from here to here is x, and then from here to b is y. So then, because this is a right triangle, so we have x squared plus y squared equal to OB squared. This is not an equation because we cannot solve anything from this equation. So we name it as equation 0. Now we try to find out the equation that contains variable x and y. So let's look at the figure here. So we know that this triangle, this right triangle, let's draw a line perpendicular to AB. This triangle is the same as this one, so we cannot get any equation from this triangle. But this triangle, OA and this point, then we can write the equation. From here to here is 6 minus x. Remember, from here to here is x, so from here to here is 6 minus x. So we can construct an equation. And we know from here to here is y. So we have 6 minus x squared plus y squared equal to 50. So let's name it as equation 1. We have one equation, but we have two variables, x and y. So we need to find another equation in order to solve both x and y. So where can we find the equation? So let's connect OC here. Now we can see this is another right triangle. So the length is x from here to here, and then from here to here is y plus 2. And then OC is the radius. So its length is square root of 50. So now we have a second equation. So x squared plus y plus 2 squared equal to 50. We call it equation 2. We can simplify equation 2 as this 2 prime. Same thing, we can simplify equation 1 as 1 prime. Now, from 1 prime and 2 prime, if we subtract 1 prime from 2 prime, then we get 4y plus 12x equal to 32. Then we get y equal to a minus 3x. Now we can plug this equation back into equation 2. And then we get this. Then we clean up. And then eventually get this equation. Now it's not difficult to see the solution is x equal to 1 or 5. So if x equal to 1, then based on this equation, y is 5. If x equal to 5, then y is minus 7. But we know that x or y should be larger than 0, so minus 7 is not the right answer. So 5 is also not the right answer. So the only answer is x equal to 1 and y equal to 5. Now we plug this into equation 0, and we get the length of OB is square root of 26. Thank you for viewing. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe.